Hi, I'm Susan. As the weather's getting cooler and the days are actually getting a little shorter, and it seems like this is our busy time of the year, whether it be just autumn activities or getting ready for the holidays, there's a few things you want to remember. So a lot of us like to trim our shrubs, our trees, everything in the spring, but actually those tree branches and the removal of any dead trees, that should happen now. You can actually see what you're working with. In the spring, sometimes they all look dead because they haven't bloomed out yet. So definitely make that appointment, get those stray or dead branches cut down so that in the winter weather, and you know that St. Louis weather, we could get some of those icy days. We don't want to have any kind of mishaps in our yards or to our house. We also want to remember, as we're getting ready for that colder season, you want to set your appointments to get your irrigation closed down. If you have a swimming pool, you want to set that appointment to get that winterized properly. And gutters, we talk about gutters all the time, but that's really a resource for problems in your basement if you're not taking care of your gutters properly. So a little bit of a to-do list, of course, before you can really enjoy the cooler fall, autumn weather. So let me tell you a little bit, and let me invite you a little bit to some of the things that we're doing in Cottleville. So the first thing that we do annually is our pumpkin patch. So on October 9th, between 10 and 12, we will be giving out free pumpkins at our office. So you can come, it's a great time for photos, have a treat with us, talk real estate if you'd like, but we'd like to invite everybody in. The other thing that we're doing is trick-or-treating in Cottleville. And we're gonna start that at the Blooming Daisy Marketplace, the gardens there. And your little ones, whether they're in costume or not, can come enjoy some holiday festivities. So we'll trick or treat at 3 o'clock. Then we're gonna do movie nights, and we're gonna do 2 different movies. So for different age groups or different scare groups. So Hocus Pocus is gonna start at 4:30, and then we're gonna do Friday the 13th on the garden grounds in the dark of night at 7 o'clock. So we're really looking for some great places and things that we can all meet together, join together, and enjoy the outdoors. If you have any questions, remember we're going to post the times, we'll post the information so you can add them to your calendar. Thanks.